Hi everyone. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. I usually do a assessment of my pool, walk around and make sure everything good, and make sure the screens are all together, no holes or anything. And I was walking around, and as I was doing an assessment, I noticed at the top of my screen, at the very top, there's a little hole in the screen, a little hole in the screen. And so instead of getting the whole screen replaced, I went on Amazon and I was able to find this screen repair called Screen Med. I got the Choco because my screen is Choco, and it comes in two pieces of screen at 5 by 7 inches or 13 by 18 centimeters, and it's a double pack. And so all you need is a hair blower. All you need is a hair blower, and it can help repair that screen. So I got my hair blower, and once you get started on that, you want to put it on high. You want to put it on high so it'll heat up real high. You want it on high, not cold. You want it on high. Cold, you want it on high. And so I'm gonna get up and repair that screen. And one thing about the screen, it comes with a adhesive in the back. And so all you do is just peel this off the back of the screen and place this part on the screen, and then you want to blow it with the old hair blower in the front of it. And once you blow it in the front of it, it will stick to your screen. And so let's see what happened. All right. Climbing up the ladder here. As you can see, the hole there. So you stick that on the screen, stick it on the screen, and then you get the hair blower. Just hold the hair blower probably about 2 to 3 inches from the screen, and that adhesive will glue it onto the screen. Kind of rub around it a little bit, then back up off of it. In about 3 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, it's done. 3 to 5 minutes, it's done. Simple as that. It's done. That's all it takes. If you like this video, please press like, and please subscribe. Share it with your friends. Once again, all you need is the Screen Med Fix window screens in less than a minute. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.